guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys must have seen these cool transitions like light leaks and typewriter effect and pop effect, and you guys must be wondering where do these people get this from. So don't worry, today I'm gonna show you guys a plugin that will help you a lot with so many transitions and so many effects that you can use in your videos later. So no fluff, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so just open up the Google and search for the film impact transitions. Alright, you'll need to click on the first link and you'll be directed to this page. If you're the Mac user, please click on download for Mac, and if you're Windows, click on download for Windows. Select the location and your download will start. It's downloaded on my PC as you guys can see. So now you'll have to simply install it and it might restart your PC automatically. Now after the restart, open up the Premiere Pro, go to the effects panel, and here you'll see the option of video transitions. Open this and here you go. You've got so many drag and drop transitions. Here in this film impact animations tab, you'll see the typewriter effect to just simply drag and drop it wherever you want. There are so many useful transitions that every editor needs. Now wait, I have a special bonus tip for you. If you want these transitions to be absolutely free, consider downloading version 4.5.3 because in New Year version you will have watermarks which we absolutely don't want. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. Till next time, take care.